Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect Stripe on QuickBooks Online. So all you have to do is head over to qbo.intuit.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just scroll down, then hover your mouse on Apps, then click on Find Apps. Next, in the search bar, just search for Stripe. And then let's just select the first app that shows on the search results. So we have here the Pay Tracker that is good for Shopify, Amazon, WooCommerce, PayPal, and Stripe. Then let's just proceed by clicking on Get App Now. Next, just click on the Connect button. So from here, you will be asked to log into your Pay Tracker account, but you can also sign in with your Intuit account. But if you don't have an existing account, you can easily create one by clicking on Create an Account. So once you're logged into your Pay Tracker account, we can start adding account. Just click on Add New. Just answer questions such as what is your purpose for use, Pay Tracker transactions. You can choose personal or client, then proceed by clicking on Next. You can also choose how do you want to sync your sales with QuickBooks or Zero. You can choose from summary sync or individual sync, then proceed by clicking on next. And from here, just click on connect with QuickBooks. Then just click on get started now. So from here, just click on add connectors, then select Stripe. Then click on connect. Just proceed. Then lastly, click on connect my Stripe account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!